Hi everyone, welcome back. So like we said, we'll be opening the rest of our trial deck. So first off, we are going to be starting with our Gen 0 trial deck. So we have opened one, we still have 5 more decks in the display. So yeah, this was the triple rare that we pulled earlier. So now let's see, can we get lucky and perhaps pull a sign card from the rest of these 5 decks. So yeah, without further ado, let's open the rest of these decks and see what happens. Oh nice! This was the climax that I wanted in a triple rare version. Because this is a very gorgeous artwork, and yeah, if we could get a triple rare version, this is the card that I really wanted as a triple rare. So yeah, that's really very nice. Okay, so that was opening all 6 trial decks, one full display for Hololive Gen 0. So for Gen 0, we have gotten all 6 triple rare. So just have another look at our triple rares. My favorite climax. Yep, so this is a full display opening for the Gen 0 trial deck. So I will be opening up the other generation, so look out for my other videos. So see you all soon, and take care, stay safe.